For this beautiful design, you need a stretchy fabric or you can use any chiffon, and this is how you need your measurement. So the length of your fabric depends how long you want it, and here I just take 3.5 meter fabric. And if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and welcome to my channel. So here I just folded my fabric in 4 folds. For marking the fitting lines, I'm using a shirt if you want it fitted. Otherwise, see, first let's see how I just folded my fabric. You have to fold it in this way, 4/4, and then take any of your shirt for the fitting. But if you want loose, mark from here 12 inches or centimeter is also written on the screen, you can check, and then mark from here just a straight line, something like this, and gradually increase this till end of your hemline. See, something like this shape, we need a line, so just mark this line. And after that also I'm going to show you how you can make your neckline. So for neckline, I'm just marking as it is the back side of my neck only, because I want it the front and back same, so I don't want it very deep. So that's why I'm just marking here the back side of my neck, so it would be equal on both sides. See, that's how I just cut this neckline. Now the next step is to finish the neckline. I'm just folding it into fold and just stitching it. I'm not using here any bias binding because my fabric is very stretchy. So here I'm just marking this line again, and after that I will take only 2 layers and pin up it properly this way. Make sure your hemline is equal as well. On hemline also I will show you how you have to cut it in a little in a small shape. So just mark here all the lines and then attach a lot of pins because my fabric is a little stretchy. So now I'm just marking on these fitting lines. Guys, if you are liking this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will really encourage me to make more tutorials. So see how, and that's how I just going to stitch the fitting lines. Now it's time to cut on the hemline. See, that's how I'm just going to cut on the corners on sides, because I don't want my sides to touch the floor. So in this shape I'm just going to cut it, and also I'm just shortening the length as well. So this is the shape. Now I'm going to use a serger, and this is the extra piece. I will show you in next tutorial how you can make your own undercap with this, or maybe headband. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look.